Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to install maps of expansion campaigns for the game Left 4 Dead add-ons. So, to be able to install expansion campaigns in Left 4 Dead add-ons, we must do the following. Go to add-ons. And when we are in add-ons, that part on the left will appear to you empty, if you do not have any downloadable expansion campaign. So what we must do is go to where it says Browse Workshop. We click there, we wait for it to load. And the only thing we must do is in the search engine, search for the expansion campaign that we want. In this case, I'm going to download the AdCraft. And as you can see, here the expansion campaign appears. I click, and when we click, the only thing we must do is to click on subscribe. And we will see all the expansion campaigns that come with these add-ons. With this plugin, with this workshop mod. So, what I recommend, if you see several options, then click on subscribe to all. Because if not, it will make mistakes when playing it. So we click there, and we see subscribe. Now, the only thing we must do is to click on the X. On the X, and what we do is wait for it to download. As you can see, in the bottom right, you see bars that are loading. So the only thing we must do is wait for it to download. Depending on the map, and how heavy it is, it will take longer, or it will take less. So if this appears, we click OK. And if it appears in red, nothing happens. We have them, so we click on download. And now, something very important. We are going to close the game. And we reopen it again. So, we reopen the game. We reopen it again. And this is to install correctly the expansion bot. The campaign that we just downloaded, so that we do not make any mistake. Now, to play this campaign that we downloaded, we click where it says Campy. We click, and we click on Play Online. Or however you want. And we click on World Search. We select the campaign, and we go to where it says Add a Campaign. And we select the Beatcraft campaign. We select it. We select the difficulty. And we click Create a Game Lobby. Now, we select the character that we want. And the only thing we have to do is wait for our friends to join. If we want to play with friends, if we want to play alone, to try, the only thing we have to do is click on Start the Game. And it will start to load. The expansion campaign. we wait a little. Because if you do not load quickly to play online, you must play alone. If you want to play alone, or play with friends, in this case, I did not find servers to connect us. So what we do is give play single player compound. Again in campaign, we select the Bitcraft campaign. We select it, and we select the difficulty. We click on Start Game, and it will start to load. What is the game? Then, the only thing we have to do is wait. We wait for it to load. It depends on your computer, if you load fast or slow. It all depends on the speed of your internet. We wait. And we wait for it to load the beginning of the map. And as you can see, it is already loading. The characters are already loaded, and we will have the complete mod with the expansion of the map. And we wait. The complete mod with the expansion of the map. We select a weapon. And done, we enter. And as you can see, the mod works correctly. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and give the like if it was helpful, and goodbye.